Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where today I'm going to show you how you can have an easy way to $100 every day, just like I do. Now, if you're struggling to make money online, and I mean you've never made a dollar before, you might not have even made a cent before, if you just don't know where to go, you're watching hundreds of videos about making money, 99% of them don't work, believe me. I'm going to show you a way that works, and I can prove it to you because this way I've made $6,000 and I'll show you my live account as we go on. So keep watching guys, and I'm telling you now, I'm going to show you a real business in a box that you can make money with. Now before we go on guys, this is what I'm going to show you in the video. Where to go, what website to go to. There's my secret website that I'm going to show you where it does all the work for me. I'm going to show you how to get started. This is newbie friendly. Anyone can do this anywhere in the world, and I mean it, anywhere. It works in every country, and you can do it over and over again just like I did. I made $6,000. So before we go on guys, do me a favour, hit the subscribe button please. That way you get to see my latest videos first, and it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Hit the bell so you get notified of every video. And guys, can you please leave a comment below if you like my video, or if you've got any questions about what I'm going to show you, just drop a comment and I'll answer it live on YouTube. So that's it. I'm not going to go into any more. Let's get on with the show. So the first site I'm going to take you to is Fiverr. Now this is all about Fiverr, but I'm going to show you something totally different. So Fiverr.com, I'm sure you've all heard of it. It's the biggest marketplace probably on the internet for buying and selling services. All right, it's absolutely amazing. Now before we go any further, before you switch off, watch this. I'm going to show you that this works. All right, we're going to go to my live account. We're going to go to my dashboard. We are going to go to earnings. This is my live account guys. $6,436 I've earned. All right, $6,436 I have made on Fiverr. That's £5,144. I've done 959 orders. My average selling price is £6.92. I'm only a level 2 seller, so I'm not even a top rated seller. These are some of my ratings. I've had 524 ratings out of 959 orders. That's not bad. And I've sold to 29% of the world. Now that is crazy. You know, France, Spain, Morocco, South Africa, Botswana, Nigeria, India, Russia, Australia. I mean, there's some crazy countries here. Indonesia, what we got down here? Argentina, Brazil, Ecuador, Venezuela, Nicaragua. I've sold worldwide my products, all right? And that shows that it works, okay? I've sold across the world, and that is how I've made all this money. Now, I'm sure you know how Fiverr works. There are just tons and tons of things that you can buy and sell. Now, for me, when I was on Fiverr and it made me $6,000, I was doing a lot of traffic gigs, okay? Because people always want traffic to their website or their blog. So, you know, you can see what some of the money these guys are making. £7.99, he's done 144 of them. 418 at £20. I mean, crazy money. 153 at nearly £30. I mean, you can see the money in this. This guy's done 1,000 at $7.99. Mad. So let's just type in here as an example, traffic for your blog. See what comes up. So these guys will send traffic to your blog, as you can see. 45, 42, some of these are new guys. In fact, let's just type in general traffic. Let's probably get some better results. So I will drive real human traffic. £40, he's done 250. I will send 3,000. So this is a good one. So let's have a look at this one. I will send 3,000 USA targeted visitors to your website. Now you can do this. Don't worry about you don't know where to do it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what you need to do is make a gig. What I would do is look at the various gigs in traffic and make yours very similar. Make a nice graphic up here. You can do it on canva.com, it's free, but don't copy it exactly because you will get your gig banned, all right? But make it very similar. I mean, this guy here, that's £87 for, jeez, big money. So this isn't actually a really good, it's not a good example of how to write this up. There's much better ones. So have a look at it, write it up properly. I mean, what is this Paco Rabanne? Write it up properly, look at some other ones and make a really good, appealing gig. So what we're going to do, he's offering 3,000 USA traffic. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go over to my special site. Now this is SEOclerks.com, SEOclerks.com, SEOclerks.com. Now this is a buying and selling site, but what you can do, you can buy on here and sell on Fiverr. This is why I love it. So let's type in here, let's do a search here. We're going to do traffic 3K, see what comes up. So we're just going to do a search, just wait for my internet to catch up. And this is what it brings back. So it brings back loads, but what we want to do, we want to change the default to low to high, right? And then we're going to look at the ranking. So it will bring up the cheapest ones first. Let's just get rid of the 3K, it's making it a bit nichey. We're just going to search on the word traffic. We're going to do low to high. So this guy here, I will send 5,500 USA web traffic to your site for $1. So let's jump into this guy's site. Let's have a look. So this is the website here, and he says 100% USA visitors, good for Google search, ranks on Alexa. It looks like it's good traffic. Okay, and he is charging, you get $1 for 5,000 visitors. Can you see where we're going? This guy is charging £7.99, so $10 for 3,000. Well, you're getting 5,500. So what you would do is you would go back to here, look at his gig, copy some of that, but change it, make a nice graphic to go here on canva.com, or get someone on Fiverr to make it, and you've got a gig straight away that you know works because people want traffic. You're buying it for $1 and you're going to sell it for $10. There's not many places that you can make $7 or $8 profit like that. So I hope you can see where this is going. There is big money in it, and you can do this for anything. You can, I mean, traffic is always one of the biggest sellers on Fiverr. What else have we got here we can have a look at? Web traffic we've got, video and animation. I mean, you can find all these. This is new, this industries. You can find all this on SEO Clerks, all of it. And basically what a lot of people do is this is what they do. They come here, they come to SEO Clerks and then just resell it on Fiverr. And it sounds simple, but it is simple when you know how to do it. You know, you can get logos made, content marketing, blogs. Just type in blog, see what it comes up. I'll write blogs, ghostwrite blogs, all this stuff. Again, you can get this all on SEO Clerks. There's nothing you can't get. So if you're looking at a simple way to get started on Fiverr, this is it, guys. It is absolutely easy. I mean, Facebook sharing, you know, I will share my your Facebook link on Facebook. Just type in Facebook there, you know, and there will be gigs that come up that are virtually the same. You know, drive 20,000 human traffic to Facebook. It's insane, guys. It's actually insane. And it's a simple way of making super easy money. So that's it from me, Bobby D, guys. Hit the subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell. I would really appreciate it. And keep watching for more videos. I've got hundreds of videos on my site, and I want you guys to make money. So just hit that subscribe. Don't miss out on any content, and I would really, really appreciate it. Cheers, guys. Take care.